he always leaves it halfway open like that. I wonder why you did that. All right. Let's see, we'll chop it there and probably, yeah. So let's start draining the water down. Yeah, I guess we'll just chop it. Let's try to do as small of a repair as possible. Nope. To use a Sawzall, chop it. I actually can fix it, and if I cut this one, then I'll be able to pull this out. Yeah. Bro. We got a regular coupling on this one, and then we'll put a slip on that. So that's inserted. Okay. That's inserted all the way. And we just hold this up halfway, make a mark for the insertion depth. That's it.